light of the fact that this is the third batch bago man atong School of Medicine. And then a few weeks before, ang atong custom broker upat ka buok. And then not only that, we have also kuan kanang mechanical engineer. Fifth place na to ang mechanical. Kuan I mean
Fifth place.
fifth place, no? Di ba?
2 years ago, sir, ang atong civil engineer, number 1 o number 10 before pandemic, 2018.
Then here, real estate broker examination, we have 5th, 7th, and duha kabuk 8th place. And teacher examination, we have 1 5th place there. It seems that all the examination don't naman take top-notcher.
Naval architecture also, sir, last October.
Naval architecture. Grabe pa kayo.
School nga declared number 1 by PRC.
Yeah.
Okay na pagid sir, out of more than 20,000 siyara maoy top from Cebu kining imong estudyante.
Thank you. You know, Junrik, you know better than me.
That was the most difficult civil engineering board exam.
Oh.
Considering UP almost in the top 10, UP, basta most difficult exam, ang UP nga rin top. Ang UC nasud sa top 10.
Yeah, I'm very happy
so,
that
San Jose, si IT, si
yeah, gapo kay atong resulta, Junrik. I'm very happy for our student because not only did they pass the board exam, but they top it. And we're the only one in Cebu.
Yes.
So, congratulations. And I always give incentive to our board topnocher. So, on Thursday, I would like to meet you and your parents, if possible, or and the chair of the
Engineer Zafico.
yes,
The new chairman.
the new chairman. Okay, good. I'll see you on Thursday at 11:30
Another things.
Diri sir sa
sa office ako.
Another good thing because we invited our students to stay at the dorm because we offered to stay there at the dorm. So fortunately, 17 of them stayed at the dorm, 11 passed, including the topnotcher.
Because you know, when you place them in one dormitory, they can react with one another. At the same time, our teacher could give them review. Personal good. So they are kulong in the dormitory. So I think it's a good thing to do. Just like our mechanical. 41 kabok nila ato giso sa dormitory. 40 kabok napasar. So I am very proud of the engineering department now. So I hope you, Greg, and the chair will continue to give me topnotcher because this is a path for the future.
It's a big challenge on our part, considering the kind of students we have. The brightest and the opposite of bright.
This is a school for the
masses.
middle class, so let's provide them with review material. No,
So I hope that you both shared out a lot because we are providing them the review books to MTC.
Good, I'm very happy.
So sir, unsay incentives nga madawat ni Engineer Philip Nacua?
Og number 1 siya doon ay auto onda.
Oh,
Pero number 6 man siya, cash na lang.
okay.
We'll give him 60,000 pesos cash.
60,000 pesos
Yes.
cash. Okay.
I'm preparing the check. Tomorrow is the holiday, so he will receive it on Thursday. Including the chair will receive something, including the dean.
Oh.